This is what happened on the last video. I had some Kobe's. I put them on my feet. Then I went to the gym, made some shots, and I took them off and went home. Yeah.
Stop walking around talking shit, talking about I got it because it looked just like a Phantom. No, it looked like a Chrysler 300.
We are just showing the sneakers here.
such a refreshing piano song. I use that several times. It just makes me feel so good. And it kind of went with the whole rain thing. But anyway, today we have the medium olive Travis Scott lows. And let's just get this out the way. These remind me of this pair, which was the Golfs, I believe. Yeah, it was the Golfs. And these were dope too. I do like the green laces and all that, but this is what they kind of remind me of. And you guys know with these Travis Scott lows, they just never miss. Except with the Elkins, those were kind of like But anytime you throw some olive or some like brown or sail on the lows, it's just a win, and they know that. These are supposed to come out September 9th. So what are we in? July, June, July, August, September, a couple months. Okay, so yeah. Be on the lookout for these. I hope everyone hits on these on the Sneakers app, which they'll probably release there. I'm still going to try to hit on a pair, even though I'm very, very blessed to have friends in high places that can send me these, because this pair is beautiful. Like if you look closely on the leather, the suede upper, it's just amazing, man. They know what they're doing with these sneakers. I'm telling you, these are cheat code Travis's. Like it's probably safe to say that the lows are better than the highs. Like don't get me wrong, the highs are dope, but the lows, they just consistently make these in better colorways. And I'm a high guy. Like I like the Jordan high over the lows as a whole. Like if you give me like a Chicago, a Bread, a Royal high, that's me all day, especially the shadows. But with these Travis Scott lows, they just don't miss. I always go with a 9.5 for all of my Jordan 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6, 7, 8s, and not 9s. For some reason, the Jordan 9 I have to wear in like a size and a half bigger, which would be 10.5 in my case, which is super weird. Hope they figure that out. But 9.5, and look at the suede right there. If you could do all that with the finger, that means they're using pretty decent quality on these. I'll say that much. That part in the back sometimes is a little challenged. I see some of that not looking as good, but on these they're damn near perfect. Like no shoe, even retail, is going to be perfect. Like I've said that hundreds of times, but at this point in my life, none of that stuff really matters to me anymore, because I've noticed when I get retail sneakers, they got flaws on them too, and a lot of the times they're not better than the shoes that I get from my friends in high places. Oh, got some pink laces. Pink laces look really good in these shoes for some reason. Like, I don't know how it worked. They just really worked. They also gave you a waxed pair. All the laces are wax. I love wax laces. They seem to look a little bit more crispy on the shoe, and they like tie and lace up better. I've never actually put a pair of wax laces in the washing machine. I probably would hand wash them if I had to go with that, but I'll probably stick with the black laces in the shoe because I'm lazy. I don't want to go back to the sail. Even though I like the sail laces the best out of all three, I'll probably just leave the black ones in. Taking a quick look here under the black light. I just had to check, even though I knew I wasn't going to find anything. I just had to check. So there's no leading lines. There's no stamps. And leading lines are basically the marks that they use to clean up the shoe. But let me know down in the comments. Are you feeling the sails? Wait, it's not the sails. The sails right here. I'm at the pink. Are you feeling the black laces, which I think all three are dope. But, you know, to each his own. But make sure you follow me on IG at Cola Culture, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.